Black children are brilliant. Black children are mathematicians. But too often, the way mathematics is taught makes them feel otherwise. For the next 29 days, we're going to change that. Welcome to Mathematics Teaching to Black Children, 29 Guiding Principles. We're going to break down exactly how to create classrooms where Black students don't just survive, but they excel. Mathematics education for Black students must be intentional, empowering, and affirming. Here's what we're going to cover. Breaking down systemic barriers, culturally responsive teaching, and empowering Black students in mathematics. I want you to think about your own classroom or learning space. What is one challenge you face in making mathematics equitable for Black students? I want you to drop it in the comments. Let's start the conversation now. This series isn't just about ideas, it's about action. For the next 29 days, we're going to go deep, breaking barriers and making real change in mathematics education. Day one starts now with our first principle. Believe Black lives matter in mathematics education. Let's go. I need everyone to like, subscribe, and share with every educator that you know. It's time to reimagine mathematics education.